Well, the healthcare system continues to struggle post-pandemic, and many experts say emergency room wait times have never been worse. It's something many people here in Ottawa are experiencing. Our hospitals have some of the longest ER wait times in the province. CTV's Sam Houpt is live in studio with more on how the capital ranks when it comes to those provincial averages. Sam.
Well, Patricia, all 5 Ottawa emergency rooms exceed the provincial average when it comes to those wait times. One hospital even tied for the longest wait times in Ontario. It's something local hospitals have had to be creative in order to address amid ongoing healthcare system challenges.
If you end up in an Ottawa area emergency room, be prepared to wait. Some visits taking up to
9 hours.
Hospitals in the capital have some of the highest average wait times in Ontario.
Especially when you are in pain and you are worried and you need to see the doctor, it gets even longer. It feels even longer.
Recent data from Health Quality Ontario shows the Queensway Carleton Hospital is tied for having the longest average ER wait times in the province. In June, it took an average of almost 4 hours before patients were assessed. The Ottawa Hospital General Campus saw an average of 3.2 hours, CHEO 3.1, Ottawa Civic Campus saw 2.5 hours, and Montfort 2.2 hours. Queensway Carleton isn't taking the top ranking lightly. Officials say it has been a challenge to meet the needs of the capital's fast-growing population. We have one of the busiest emergency departments with more than 83,000 visits each year. However, we have half the physical space and half the number of bays that other similar EDs have. The hospital has had to be creative to tackle wait times, including converting some spaces into temporary ER beds, and is appealing to the province to expand the emergency department. Though currently holding the title of longest wait times hasn't come as a surprise to patients.
Does that shock you at all?
No.
No, not after.
And even after you get assessed in the ER, the wait isn't over. Across Ontario in June, the average wait time to be admitted to the hospital from the ER was 19 hours, and the target time there is 8 hours. Patricia?
That's a lot of hours. We empathize with the woman who says when you are sick or in pain, it can feel a whole lot longer as well. Thanks so much for this, Sam.